Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to talk about the Walker Edison table, and this table measures 46 inches round and it is walnut. It does take two people to lift the table because it's a little bit heavy. Once you open it up, it has instructions on how to put it together. It's fairly easy to do so, and it comes with all the hardware, and it includes a tool to put it together. Once you open the box, you'll see that you have the hairpin legs, and they look very nice and strong because they're made out of metal, and it has a very nice matte finish. Under that, you'll have the table, and it's upside down, ready to put the legs on them. The edge looks very nice. It has a cool finish as well. It's not just flat. And on the top side, it also has a matte finish. It comes with all the screws and the tool. It also comes with spare parts. To put it together, you put the screws in there first with your hand and use the tool lastly. And here you can see the table that's already completed. It is about 1.5 inches thick, and it is 45 inches in diameter, and it looks very nice. It looks great. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.